First, he ignored Arvind Kejriwal's calls, and then AAP MLA Ved Prakash surfaced at the BJP office. With the crucial election in Delhi just now weeks away, the AAP has been jolted with one of its legislators switching over to the BJP. Sonal Mehrotra joining us at this point for more. Sonal, just how much of a shock has this been for the AAP? They've even cancelled a scheduled press conference after hearing about that defection.
Well, quite a shock for Aam Aadmi Party, Ankita. The only time they got to know about Ved Prakash joining the BJP was when they actually saw him in a press conference giving a hug to Manoj Tiwari, who's the BJP chief here in the national capital. And this when they were right about to, hold a press conference of their own. But that, of course, had to be cancelled then. But a lot of this is going to perhaps keep happening in the run-up to MCD elections. Remember, just less than 3 weeks to go now. 23rd is when Delhi will vote for the civic polls. And this time around, it's an all-out fight with all the big leaders of all political parties coming in. But currently, it looks like advantage BJP is now from having 3 MLAs in the assembly, they've gone to 4. Aam Aadmi Party has lost one. Another one says he will not be associated with the party anymore. And this at a time when their former leader, Prashant Bhushan, remember, has tweeted a letter which he wrote to Arvind Kejriwal earlier in the day. Earlier, several months back when he was actually part of this party, when he stated his disturbance and stated his objection to Ved Prakash actually getting a ticket. He said, even then I had warned Mr. Arvind Kejriwal that he cannot be trusted, and look, it's happened. So clearly Aam Aadmi Party cornered at the moment, as they're already dealing with the debacle in Punjab and Goa and trying to make, surface here in MCD elections. Remember, these MCD elections, a litmus test for Arvind Kejriwal's governance, something, the government that we've seen in the past 2 years.